Good morning.
It's the afternoon.
Good morning. So, hello. Tom says hello too, he's just busy. Oh, hello. Welcome to a weekend vlog in the lockdown 2.0. Can you believe we're in a second lockdown?
Well, yeah,
I mean, like, I can, but then I can't at the same time.
I'd say they've been stupid.
Yeah, but then it doesn't feel like a lockdown because no one is actually like listening to the rules.
True.
So, but we are just on a little dog walk, well, actually quite a big dog walk with the Charlie Bomb. Oh, what a cutie pie. He hates the car so much. Oh no, my thing is dirty. Is that clearer? Was the first part of the vlog all misty? So we're off to this place called The Heath, which I think I vlogged before in a few videos. It's like basically like a massive field, so we're gonna go there. It's like dog walk central at the moment because obviously not a lot of places are open to walkie doggos. Tom's just nipping to Aldi first because we actually don't have any dog biscuits for Charlie, and that is how we train him on our walks. Aldi is pretty busy.
It is. I'm hoping that some very kind soul will let me through with my one item.
Yeah, just one dog biscuit.
Yeah, imagine me stuck behind an entire trolley.
Staring at the phone that's calling, knowing all the words we cannot say, remembering your fingers touching, getting close to me, numbing off the pain you left here, places on myself you used to feel. I'll feel it right, gonna get it right. Nothing but a vintage novel. I can get you high, close your eyes and see. Oh, come with me, baby, I am not your story. I just wanna clean.
I don't know how well you can hear me because it's really windy on here. But yeah, so today is Saturday. I think I've already mentioned that, I'm not entirely sure. I don't even know how much of this you can even hear. But yeah, this place is really good. The only kind of bad bit about it is there's a main road right there. So you kind of have to keep them to the other side, or they keep them like on, there's like little paths here. You can keep them there. But yeah, it's our new favourite place to walk, Charlie, isn't it? There's another place called Tan Park open where we live, but you're not allowed to let your dogs off the leads at the moment during pandemic and lockdown situation. And there's deer in there and they really scare me, and I heard so many stories from my mum that she knew people with dogs and the deer used to chase the dogs and the people. So
Yeah, I'm not bad.
that doesn't sound fun. Tom's got a...
Very cool.
No, it's cold. To be fair, I did ask for an iced one, but they gave me hot, but I'm not too bothered. So I've got a soy latte with 2 shots of caramel syrup.
Yep.
And they got the little Christmas cups. So cute.
I don't want your story, I just need a name. Details only.
So as you can tell, we're back home. I'm just in the office now. I've got myself a peppermint tea. My neighbours just saw me talking to a camera. It is 5:20, so I'm gonna get downstairs and have some tea now because I'm really hungry and I haven't actually eaten anything today, which is very unlike me and not healthy in any way. I don't know why I've done this. I woke up really late this morning and then just went for a dog walk and then just lost track of time. So I think I'm gonna have like a burrito. I've got some vegan mince in the freezer, so I think I'm gonna cook that with some rice and like spinach and cucumber and stuff, put it on a wrap. And I've got some like sour cream and chive dip, which I might just spread on the wrap. So yeah, I'm gonna go have that next. I'm very hungry. The mince I'm using, I haven't used this one before. It's just vegan mince. I've used Quorn and Tesco's own one. I haven't used Asda, but it's looking pretty good. I of course have put too much in as per usual, but I've just got onion and yellow pepper in there. So yeah, I'm gonna add some spices to it now. So we have decided to play this game that I saw on TikTok. It's a drinking game, and you get like 4 or 5 shots of different things, and they're like hidden from you, and you have to try and guess what they are. So Tom has done one for me. Have you put something in front of them so I can't see?
Yeah.
What?
We're sponsored by the local Jiffy.
Oh, okay. So, oh my god.
Alright, it's moment of truth time. I know what drinks are here and Helen does not. So you're going to go from your right to my left. No, your right to my right. Yep, so that one first.
This is my right.
Yep. No, you're not allowed to pre-sniff. That's a giveaway.
I'm scared. So it's us?
Yeah.
Wine? Red wine.
Yep.
The straws are sticking out.
I know, I'm sorry.
Pink gin.
Just gin, but
Oh.
near enough, I'll give it you.
This one?
Yep.
What is that?
Give it another go. Maybe you'll figure it out.
Vodka?
Dark rum. And then it's quite nice for this one.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
Really?
I know it, but I can't. Oh, amaretto.
Yeah. Well, you got them all. They were not all nice.
Your turn. Playing this game called Knowledge is Power. It's like on the PlayStation, but you can play it on your phone. It's like your phone. The phone is like the controllers. It's basically just like a big quiz, really. You can like choose a character of these. So I think I'm gonna choose this guy, and you can take a little selfie. Just a second, let me take a selfie. So this is my selfie. Basically, you just answer loads of questions and stuff. It's pretty cool. And in the end, they have like this. What's it called? Pyramid of power.
Pyramid of
Pyramid of knowledge. Pyramid of knowledge, and yeah, so the first person to win. Tom won last time, but we were very close the entire round. So I'm gonna give myself that. But yeah, we're gonna play it now, and it's pretty fun. It's good to play with loads of people. One time we played at Tom's Brothers, and there was like, was it like 4 groups of us? 3 groups of us? That was pretty cool. But yeah, we're playing it now. Knowledge! Doors, and you can pick which one you want to do. So let's pick that one that you didn't see. Hobbies. Hobbies. Pick that one.
Just because I don't
Oh, what?
have one. Just because I don't have one.
What hobby?
Yeah.
You're doing it.
Oh, yeah.
You get to pick these little power plays as well against your opponent. So
Drink water.
I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, okay.
Got vino.
Yes, please. Seeing as it is a Saturday, so
Got red or white.
I'll have a red. We don't have any white wine.
Do you know?
No. Did you buy some white wine?
Okay.
In the movie Titanic, what was Rose's full name?
Oh. Yeah, I have red, please. Yes, don't test me on my Titanic knowledge. Haha.
Ain't got a clue.
Love Titanic. Tom's, have you ever even seen it?
Not all the way through. I've seen bits and pieces of it. I've seen a bit where somebody falls off the boat and hits a fan or something. Oh wait, that might have been a horror film.
It's a fan?
Yeah.
No, that is from Titanic.
It is, isn't it? I thought it was.
We've just picked famous vegans and I have no idea why we decided to pick this.
Only two that I know.
What vegans?
Joaquin Phoenix, and you told me about one, haven't you? Or is it Joaquin Phoenix you told me
I
about?
told you about him. Look at one. Me.
Details only bore me. We just came to play.
Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2 of the weekend vlog. So today is Sunday obviously. A spider was just crawling down. I think I killed it but I think I didn't and now I don't know where it is, so love that for me. So I've actually come down to a semi-clean kitchen. I don't know what's going on. Tom got up at like 5 o'clock in the morning because when he's at work we get into this routine of feeding Charlie at 5 AM so then Tom can take him out at 7 when he finishes and then he can go to bed and then I take Charlie out when I get up and then yeah, so I think Tom just woke up randomly at 5 with a headache and he like texted me. I didn't get it till I woke up. He texted me and was like, oh, I'm just going to feed Charlie to keep him into his routine. I was like, why are you awake at 5 AM? What the hell? She's gone back to sleep. He's probably going to be asleep for quite a while because he has work tonight, which means he's working till 6 AM tomorrow. So today is going to be a very like pajama day sitting in front of the TV because one of my favourite TV shows ever has a new season out today and Gillian Anderson is in it and Gillian Anderson is like my queen. I love her so much. It's called The Crown. I'm pretty sure so many people have watched it. It's so popular on Netflix but it's so good. If you haven't watched it, you definitely have to watch it. It's so good. Anyway, so I'm just going to make myself something quick to eat and then watch that. I'll probably binge watch and then be really upset that I've got nothing else to watch. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do this morning. So, for breakfast, what do I want for breakfast? I think I might have some oats actually, or I don't know because I found a recipe for granola. And you need oats for it and I don't think I have enough oats. I think I'm going to make the granola first and then see if I have leftover porridge. I'm so indecisive all the time, but yeah, I'm going to do this.
Could have been a painter, could have studied law. Instead you are my paintbrush, you're my curriculum. Could have been a sailor, could have been an astronaut. Instead I drive for miles just to get to where you are. I saw you out in Leicester Square, thought about you in the shower. I paid to watch you stand up there and gave you all the power. You say she's a work of art. You pick her up from school, but you blow.
So it's, what time is it?
About 5 o'clock.
No, it's 25 to 6.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm still watching The Crown. This one is now awake. He's just feeding Charlie tea. Yeah, this is my granola that I made. Tom is just feeding Charlie. And then I'm gonna have a pizza. I was gonna eat something like healthy for tea, but we start again tomorrow. So I'm just having a chill Sunday really, watching The Crown. And the episode 1 at the moment is about Diana and her eating, Princess Diana and her eating disorder. So that's fun to watch. And they actually put a warning at the start of the episode, which not a lot of like shows and films do, which was really good. But yeah, Gillian Anderson also is playing Margaret Thatcher so well. Like I can't even, so good. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna be watching this for the rest of the night really, and eating, and might have a glass of wine. So it's getting quite late now. It is 10 o'clock. I just found a spot on my face. great. I have literally watched The Crown all day. I haven't even finished it yet, but Tom's like work downstairs and I didn't really want to distract him by watching the TV. So I've come upstairs. I don't know if I can physically take watching anymore because I don't know if anyone else gets the same, but sometimes if I binge watch a show in a day or a film, or just like watch loads of things that are kind of related around the same thing, I like dream about it at night. I don't know if that makes sense. So like the other week I was like reading Harry Potter loads and then I was like watching it, and my dreams were just like solidly like Harry Potter related, so I don't want that to happen tonight. I think I am just gonna wash my face, put some moisturizer on, grab myself a glass of wine and maybe just read in bed. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed if you've watched. I'm gonna try and do some more vlogs during lockdown because let's face it, I've got nothing else better to do with my time. I think I'm gonna try and do a vlog tomorrow, which is Monday, for a few days, so do a bit of a vlog this week. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope you're all staying safe and staying sane during second lockdown, and I will see you all soon. Bye.